I am VSS Shastri. I live in Kolar. This is my personal journey into the world of fossils. Ever since I was a child or in the high school, I was interested in fossils. That is because theory of evolution was referred to us, not taught to us, but referred to us in my high school days. And they also told me about Galapagos Islands, about the Darwin's adventures, etc. Since then, it was my dream to have few fossils in hand. That is because once I have the fossils, that's what I thought, that it is a kind of a repudiation of the theory of evolution that we find by the Bible. That Bible says that the earth was formed 6,000 years ago. And also, our Puranas, it says that there was a kind of a pralaya, as well as the Jambudvipa was formed, so many other things. So, for this kind of a theories to be debunked, I thought that the fossils are very much necessary, so that I could have one and display to others. So I purchased this book, the Simon and Schuster, the fossils. It became a Bible to me. In fact, it has got a large number of illustrations as well as explanations, plus for so many other details that which I did not know, I did not study in the high school days. So it became a set of a Bible to me, and each page I devoured, and each this figure stayed in my mind. It so happened that once I went on a pilgrimage, on a tour to Kedarnath. In Kedarnath, in the shops around, I found that there's some kind of a board called Saligrama, sold here, etc. So I went there and I asked them to show me the Saligramas. In fact, they showed me many, and the prices were astronomically high. But there was also a heap in between, and I asked them, what is it about? They told me, ye toota puta hua hai. So these kind of a broken Saligramas, when I began to search, I found this. Immediately I could recognize about this figure, this kind of a design, etc., being in this book. So in fact, I can share with you that my wonderful excitement that this is the same fossil which is there in this book. Later I came to understand this is a Saligrama called Sudarshana Saligrama, which is worshipped in temples and Vaishnava mutts. For the record, because it is a fossil, so it is kind of a mollusca, type of a mollusca which was there living about 168 million years ago. Later, due to my interest, I met a wonderful man called Nanjanagoda, who was working in Bangalore University as a paleobotanist. He is still there, and he became my friend. Looking to my collection of fossils, one or two which were there. In fact, I had also collection of this coal. I went to the railway station in Kolar and collected coal, because I had read that a coal is a compressed fossil. Of course, because it is compressed, it is a plant material, no doubt, but no details will be available. So when I explained Mr. Nanjanagoda all these kind of things, what I knew, he was very much excited and wanted to help me. So he obliged me to give me certain fossils. In fact, it became such a kind of a routine that I showed some kind of a figure in this book, and next time when I met, I will get that kind of a fossil. So all the collection what you see here is a courtesy of this wonderful man Nanjanagoda. Due to this, it was also routine for me to go to the schools and show these things and tell them the theory of evolution. I want to share with you my excitement and also my experience with these fossils. This is Terebratula. It is a phylum Brachiopoda, and it is about 5 million years old fossil. These are dinosaur tooth, though I do not know which species it belongs to, but it just identifies with the book what I have. You can also see the enamel in the tooth. This is called Polyptychitis and it is a mollusca. So it was under the sea and it belongs to the lower Jurassic period and it is about 125 million years old. This is worshipped as a Saligrama in Vaishnava mutts and also in individual houses. This is called as Aspidoceras. It is a phylum of Mollusca. It is from Upper Jurassic age, about 150 million years ago. This is the type of Atlantis type of mollusca called as Goniatatis. It is about 345 million years. This is also phylum Mollusca called as Phanerostephanus. It is the later Jurassic period, 140 million years ago. This is Hematoceras. It is a mollusca. It is about 168 million years old from Middle Jurassic period. This is a form of trilobite. It belongs to Silurian era and also a mid-Devonian era. It is about 435 to 360 million years old. These are wood fossils. I collected this particular specimen in Tiruvakkarai near Pondicherry. And look at the way these wood fossils are formed. In fact, it is a stone. And also this one. It is also actually in a stone. This is a nodule which is usually available in rivers. And experts can recognize it. And when they hammer it out here, it opens up into a fossil and it reveals the details. I do not know the age of this fossil. I was also cheated many times and I was sold, this particular fossil was sold to me as a piece which contains ferns. But actually it is a mineral. It is a deposit of the copper from the Ingaladala mines from Chitradurga. So I have taken you in a journey of the fossils collection, whatever I have. In fact, to remind you, this is the oldest fossil, 345 million years old, what I have with me. And also I have a false fossil. In fact, this looks like a fern, but actually it is a mineral. It is a copper crystallization in calcite. Also, I have this kind of wood fossils. In fact, it looks like a wood, but actually it has become stone. Friends, in the second part of the video, I would like to talk to you more about these kind of fossils.